Hey everyone, it's Angry Turtle and I finally did it! I have a replacement for a proper chocolate ice cream. It's of course a little bit different recipe. Everything natural. No added sugar, no sweeteners, nothing like that. And it tastes great! And it is so silky smooth. The secret was frozen banana. And it needs to be frozen exactly in the moment when it's fully yellow. No green banana, no brown banana. Perfectly yellow banana is the secret to make the texture of actual ice cream. So just mainly frozen banana pieces. Then follow up with cocoa powder, like 2 spoons will be just fine. It can be less, it can be more, up to your taste. I went for average amount, like about 20 grams for over 200 grams of the banana. And then after the cocoa powder, I add a little bit of cinnamon. Just a hint of cinnamon, not too much. I don't want to dominate the taste of the ice cream, but I like how cinnamon is amplifying the sweetness of the final product, final ice cream. And of course, the final ingredient, milk, refrigerated milk, just a little bit less than you use the banana. Like not more by weight, just a little bit less than amount of the banana. You need a little bit more frozen product than milk. Otherwise, it will be a little bit like too liquid. So that is about perfect. It will be about 1 pint of ice cream with relatively low calories. Now we just go and blend it. Blend it for like 15 seconds and then stop it for a moment to make sure that you move around all the banana that can get actually stuck in between the blades. We don't want any banana stuck in between the blades, as you will have banana chunks in the final product, which is not perfect. Like, it's not a big deal if you don't fully blend it and you will get a banana chunk in your chocolate ice cream, but I do prefer when it's fully creamy. So I stop it after like 15 seconds to open it, move around a little bit everything that can be stuck in between those blades. If I move it a little bit, then I will get everything equally blended. Perfect. To the perfect consistency of a chocolate ice cream. I would say if you do it like that, and I don't know about other blenders, but in case of Ninja Blender, you can see the final product is getting in here. It's like a nice soft serve chocolate ice cream. It's about taste-wise, it will be like 90% of an actual chocolate ice cream with like 1/3 of the calories, if not less. So I would say it's a full success and only natural products. Look at the consistency. It's not falling out by itself. You need to actually scrub it out. It is amazing what this banana can do if you freeze it when it's exactly yellow, fully yellow banana. Look at that. It's actual ice cream. It's actual soft serve ice cream. And it's very smooth when you taste it. It is so smooth. And there is like no fat in it. This banana is just making magic in there. 1 pint of chocolate ice cream. Look at that up close. That's a beautiful ice cream. You can see how it melts slowly. It melts like real soft serve ice cream. Exactly the same. It's so close to the real thing that I can go with it. It satisfies all my chocolate ice cream cravings without all the side effects of eating an actual chocolate ice cream from the shop. So I hope you can try this recipe and let me know what you think. I really impressed myself with this one. I was working on this recipe for a while and I figured out how to make it simple, effective, and delicious. Try it, everyone, and let me know what you think. Thank you a lot for watching.